What's up everybody and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna draw Goku from Dragon Ball Z, which is everyone's favorite. So you need a white drawing sheet and a black sketch pen to start. So what we're gonna do is first we are gonna draw a perpendicular line, and with the help of this we are gonna draw his eyes. So he has very thick eyebrows, so we are gonna do the same, and it's a little bit tilted like this. Now we will draw his eyeballs and eyes. Now we are gonna do the same thing in the left side. So guys, basically I always use this method, like starting from the eyes and nose and lips, so it will give me a good idea at the end about how I'm gonna outline the face. But if you are a pro, you can start from anywhere and still get the same results, but I use this method very well. So now I'm gonna draw his nose and his mouth. So now I have all the features, so it will help me to shape up the face. So it's basically in V shape, as you can see. That's it. So now we have drawn the face. We will start drawing his ears and hair. So ear will be between eyes and nose, like this, and then we are going to do the same in the other side. Now from the jawline you can start drawing his hair from both sides, so you will not mess up at the end and you will get a good idea about how long you can draw it. So now I'm also gonna draw some hairs which is coming in his face, so it will give me a good idea about how I'm gonna draw the top of the hairs. That's it. So now I'm gonna start drawing the top of the hairs. It's basically big spikes, as you can see, and another one. Now I'm gonna join these 2 points in a round shape. So guys, I am not planning to add any color, so what I'm gonna do is add some detailing in the hairs and face. But if you want to add some colors, you surely can. Now the face and hair is done. Now we are gonna move ahead for the neck. So basically it has a lot of muscles, so we are gonna do the same. There is no hurry, you can slowly draw it with reference. Now I'm gonna draw the chest area, and then we will draw his clothes. So once you have drawn the face, the body area will be a little bit easy for you guys. So this is the final result. If you are new, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.